Hi to all from Fabrizio, and this is my article about Windows Defender against virus ransomware. I have written this article on that you can find to the URL noisolution.net slash 2020 slash 05 slash 25 slash come attivare Windows Defender contro i ransomware. That it is the translation of how to activate Windows Defender against ransomware. When you arrive on my site, you can see on the right here the plugins of Google, that it is the plugins of Google Translate, and you can translate on your language. On this cases, I have used the English. So we can go to start with reading my article. Wait a moment, please, and go on. We see in this article a valid protection on how to defend ourselves from the Windows Defender ransomware virus active on Windows 10. Obviously, it is a dedicated topic because cryptovirus are taking over lethally and adequate defensive measures must be found. First of all, a brief review of a ransomware is a virus that prevents access to your hard disk with is encrypted by means of cryptographic key. To be able to access your hard disk again, you will necessarily need a private key that you can only obtain by paying a currency typically valid on the web, for example, the Bitcoin or PayPal. And for this reason is called also crypto value. And here there is a link that you can use to see what is ransomware. Is a specific and section of my site where I speak of the virus and I see how to remove the operation of ransomware and the typology of this type of virus as Reveton, CryptoLocker, and WannaCry. And there is you can read all, and there is also a section where I explain how you can remove this type of virus. So we return to the beginning article and go on. Obviously, there is only one problem that often happens, that you pay, but in return you get nothing. That is, do not restart access to your PC. Microsoft proposed a solution with Windows Defender against ransomware. It is very easy, but equally effective in practice through is the OneDrive service. A copy is made of the same folder that ransomware generally use to encrypt your hard disk. And so, in case recovery is done, and this is the way the problem is solved. Activate your device to block ransomware virus with Windows Defender. The process is something that it is easy to do. You must go on setting, update security and Windows security. So we can see here, I show that to the end to this setting, you are here on this page, that is the page of Windows security of Windows. On this page you can see all this library about this section, that it is virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall and network protection, and application user control and device security. As you can see, all these sections are tagged on green label. That is good because all is okay. But maybe that to the first label as a virus and threat protection, you see that the label is orange and not green. This means that you have some type of problem and you must go what is the problem. So double click and go on. So you arrive on this new page that is protection for your device against free. And you see that the scan options, always free, processor history, and something else. If you scroll down, you arrive to the section that is on our interesting, that it is ransomware protection. Here you read no action needed, because I have already done the login to OneDrive. The first time that you arrive on this page, here there is the orange right that you must do this login to the software OneDrive. So you click and you do the login. On the manage ransomware protection, there is all setting that you can choose. I don't show because there is also my email. Okay, the next step is, wait a moment please. But unfortunately, is not appropriate state in which you will find yourself. In fact, generally the protection device with OneDrive is not activated by default, but is an operation that you will have to perform. No fear, go on. And as sure as to do, you have already seen it. Wait a moment. Okay. Often we read of imaginative measures that could block the virus, which go to safe mode. Download the software, click a little here, or click a little here, and you will see that with these tips you solve. I am sorry to disappoint you, but it is not true. It is not true. This particular type of highly engineered virus access to your operation system is closed with a padlock which is called public key. To access it again, you will have to open the lock, and there is only one solution to have is introduce the private key, which is generally XML code. That only to have closed you forget about imaginative solution that can only be harmful. Don't do it. Don't try it. The only one software that can help you is called Beeping Computer Kill, but not because it unlock your hard drive once it is locked, but only because it is a particular design to identify the process of this category of virus, and therefore to pre-manage them. Okay, this is my lesson. I'm sorry for my English, and for this time is all. Bye. Yeah, if you like, you can give me some like. Bye bye.